Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Jefferson employee account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me proceeding to the video. First of all, open your browser and go to your default search engine. Then, search Jefferson Employee Login. Go to the first result or go to MySafe. Jefferson. Edu. There you can see the login button, press on it. Then, enter your campus key. To make login easier, you can press remember this setting, but I do not recommend you doing it on a public computer. Once you have entered your campus key, press next and then enter your password. Then, you should be able to access your Jefferson employee account. That's it for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.